everyone, Letty here. Today I have another craft with me video where I use the Not Too Shabby Shop items. I'm using the November Paper Pad Club. We're going to make some super easy gift card holder ornaments. Welcome back everyone. I'm on the design team for the Not Too Shabby Shop for this term. Here's their logo. I will list a website affiliate link down in the description box below. Here's a little more information. So today I'm featuring the November 2023 Paper Pad Club and add-on ephemera pack. The Paper Pad Club comes with two different paper pads. We have Angel Wings, 12 designs, 6x6 papers. These are double-sided, really cute. And what I love is that one of the sheets has cut-aparts, which is this one right here. So you get 4 different sheets of cut-aparts. They're all the same pattern, but you get 4 of them, which is really nice because you'll have some ephemera that coordinates for that one. Then the second paper pad is called A Shabby Christmas, 12 designs, 6x6 sheets of paper, also double-sided. I think this one is one of my favorites from Not Too Shabby of all time. This is so super cute. I love the color pattern on this one. And this one does not have a separate, cut apart sheet within the paper pad, but there is an add-on ephemera pack that you can add on that has the coordinating ephemera. So this one is some coordinating ephemera called A Shabby Christmas. Of course, coordinates with that paper pad you see there. Really cute. Let me show you a still shot of the images that comes in that ephemera pack. Here you go. Just a lot of really pretty images. I love the muted tones in this one. So again, this was the November Paper Pad Club and add-on ephemera from the Not Too Shabby Shop. Let's dive into today's project. So before we dive in, let me show you what I made in my first project using this Paper Pad Club. It was some cards using Crafty Mama Diary sketch number 1. They're a little dimensional. I added a sentiment on the inside and a scrap. I made 6 total cards. 3 of the first set, which was using A Shabby Christmas, and then 3 using the Angel Wings paper pad, which is the second paper pad of this Paper Pad Club. Today's project is an easy gift card holder ornament. So super easy. This is the perfect way to add a gift card and then hang it on your Christmas tree this year. You can give it to somebody. I think it adds a little extra decoration to your tree, and it's so super easy. So you can see here, mine is a little dimensional. I did add a sentiment. I brought in the Naughty or Nice stamp set from the Not Too Shabby Shop to use that little sentiment. Have a wonderful holiday. This one comes with some really fun sentiments. And so I also brought in the Gingerbread Visions enamel dots that are released and out of Not Too Shabby as well. This was a freebie, but you are able to purchase these separately. So today we're making some easy gift card holders. I thought these would be perfect to hang on your Christmas tree and kind of get your Christmas gifts out of the way. And so this would be just so super easy. You can add a 2 in the front, on the back. You could add some sentiments as well stamped on the back. You add your gift cards and then you decorate the fronts. And so I did punch a little hole, add some twine, and so I could hang these on the Christmas tree. Some I added sentiments to the front. Others I did not. And so you see here, I also added a little to from label on the back end side. So these are just so super easy. I'm going to show you today, we're going to make 2 from 1 sheet of 6x6 paper. So I have all of my supplies today. So let me push this up. We'll bring out what I'm using today, which is some cardstock for my foundation. So this piece of paper is 3 inches by 6.5 inches. I am going to do a score, but I'll show you that in just a second. I have some little stamped sentiments from that Naughty or Nice stamp set. A couple of pieces of ephemera that I've already backed with some foam dimensional tape from Dollar Tree, approximately 12 inches of twine for each of the ornaments. So I do have 2 pieces because I'll make 2 ornaments today. Then I have 2 little to and from sentiment labels. You could also just use your little sticker labels from Christmas, and then 1 sheet of 6x6 paper because we're going to make 2 ornaments from the 1 sheet, and mine is from A Shabby Christmas, which is one of those Paper Pad Club paper. Basically, we're going to cut our paper down to get 2 strips, so we'll have plenty of paper to get 2 ornaments. This is 3.5 inches high by 2 3/4, and then 2.5 inches high on the back. So we'll be able to get 2 ornaments complete with both front and back mats from this 1 sheet of paper. We're first going to cut it vertically, meaning the top at the very top. Cut it at 2 3/4 of an inch wide because that's the width of our panel, and you'll leave it at the 6 inches for now. I'm going to cut 1 more, so we have 2 different panels and 1 little scrap. You can save that scrap for another project, but you will not need it for this one. So I have my 2 panels here. You see how you'll have enough paper to cut the back and the front from this 1 little sheet of strip of paper. You're going to cut it at 3.5 inches on the 6-inch side, which is going to be perfect to make both of your panels because again, one is 3.5 inches, one is 2.5 inches, and both of them are 2 3/4 of an inch wide. So perfect. So now you just repeat the same cut with your second piece, cut it at 3.5, and you'll have again another set. Now, because this is double-sided paper, I'm going to have the options of using either side of these paper panel patterns. So I have my 2 pieces of paper set set, let's go ahead and score our cardstock. So on the 6.5 inch side, score it at 2 3/4 of an inch. So you're going to do one score, and then you just take your bone folder and fold or enforce or varnish that one fold line just like this. So just to kind of make that little pocket, just like that. That is basically the hardest part of our ornament, is just kind of getting that score and then folding it and prepping our little foundation here. This is such an easy project. So we've got our two little foundations, we've got our papers. Go ahead and just glue the two shorter ends on the inside just to kind of form your pocket. So you do not glue on the top. You're just going to glue the two smaller ends on the sides and close it to make that pocket. Just like that. It's so super easy. Just press to hold down to make sure that your glue is going to set, and then you're done. And you'll just repeat the same with the second one. But you see here, now we have a little pocket. So I'm going to go ahead and take my glue. Again, glue the two shorter ends on the inside, just on the sides. Leave the top open, close it, press it, seal it, form your pocket, and you're set with your two little foundations. Now, the next thing is to decide on which paper panels or paper designs you want showing on your two little ornaments, on the front and on the back. So because I'm using double-sided paper, I have two different options for the front and two different options for the back. So I'm deciding which one I want based on my embellishment. And then I'm just going to just finish off by gluing those two mats to my front and my back. So the shorter one is going to go on the back where the gift card is at, and your main decor piece is going to be on the front. I'm taking out a hole punch, and mine is more of like a 1/8 or 1/16 inch hole. It's really small, but you could pretty much use any size hole punch. Punch a small hole at the very top, just like this. So that way you can add your twine in just a second. So next we'll go ahead and finish gluing our little to from label. Now I just hand drew these out with some scrap white paper after cutting my foundations, but you could also just adhere a regular Christmas label that you normally use on your presents. You could just add it to the back of this one as well if you don't want to have to hand draw anything. Or you could use your stamps and stamp out something. So I'm going to add my sentiment and finish decorating the front, peel off the backings, pop up my little pieces of ephemera to the front of my ornament, just like this. So that is the bulk of our ornament there. I'm going to add my twine to my ornament here. So I'm going to add it right through the hole that we have here, and then just go ahead and tie my two ends together. So the way that I do that is I group them together just like this, and then go ahead and just tie a little knot together with the two, pull both of them through the hole, and now I have my twine onto my ornament. So you could use ribbon or twine or pretty much anything for this. So we have our gift card holder. We're going to add a little gift card. So super easy. Go ahead and address your to and your from, and then you can hang it on your tree. But I'm going to take it one step further. We're going to add a little bling. I'm bringing in these gingerbread visions enamel dots that I had received free with my order from the Not Too Shabby shop for spending over $60. And so I'm adding that to my ornament, and here is my finished ornament. I'm going to finish the second one off camera, and we'll do a full recap. So for today's video, we used the November Paper Pad Club and add-on ephemera from Not Too Shabby. I also brought in a couple of additional items, the Naughty or Nice stamp set from Not Too Shabby, as well as the gingerbread visions enamel dots from Not Too Shabby as well to make our project today. All these are Not Too Shabby products that are available in the shop. So today we made some easy gift card holder ornaments. You saw me make one together. Here's the second one that I made off camera using that same paper that we cut down in today's video. And then here is the first one that we did on camera today here. So this is what it looks like. These are so super easy. Here are just some of the ones that I had made previously, just kind of testing it out. These are so fun. These are so easy to make, and they are great to use up your stash. You get two of these from one sheet of 6x6, an easy gift card holder ornament. So super easy. I definitely invite you to try it. November Paper Pad Club, add on ephemera, some additional items. Definitely take out your paper pads and make some of these if you are needing some additional holiday gift items. So thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you got a little bit of inspiration. I hope you're gearing up for the holiday season and you're enjoying all of the crafty videos from the Not Too Shabby design team. Let me know in the comments down below which ornament was your absolute favorite. Happy holidays, and as always, happy crafting.